Cuisine. Hello, Twisters. Today, we are going to make Shelly's green juice. The other day, we made carrot beet medley. And now, here's the green version. Few different ingredients. So we're going to get started. I got my great Breville juicer. I love it. I just got it about 3 weeks ago. So we are going to start with kale. And so we are going to make green juice, and we're going to make it with kale. We have red apples, but they are not Macintosh. They're Fuji, because you want a crisp apple. Okay, so let's get going. Now that's what you call green juice, okay? So again, you know, I have to do it in pieces. This juicing has been helpful to me. I'm gonna use Granny Smith apples, okay? So I have two types of apples. I like the tartness of the Granny Smith. And so, I have the Granny Smith and I have the Fuji. I kinda have the Fuji for the sweetness, you know? So, I make this for my mother. She likes it and it's healthy for her. Healthy for me too. And it helps me, you know, when I get those sugar fits, sugar cravings, then I can make this green juice. Celery, guys. Can't make green juice without celery, right? Okay. So I'm going to get rid of the rest of my apples, my Fuji. So I have about 2 Fuji apples here, 2 Granny Smith apples. And again, I like the Fuji for the sweetness. You could use Barburn or something else. This is nice and refreshing. Got some more kale. We need to get that in. So, cucumber. We're making green juice. Now, cucumber gives a lot of water. This was a huge cucumber. So, normally I would say 2 small cucumbers, but this cucumber was so big, I only used 1. Look how much juice the cucumber gives. A lot of juice from that cucumber. So, I need my stuff to be sweet without putting the sugar. So I have a small pineapple. So, pineapple peeled, small. That's gonna mix my flavors. And last but not least, I have a very big lemon. Or it could be 2 small lemons. I take the skin off and I take off the white because we don't want that taste. And we need to have some kind of citrus in our juice. Okay. See, I gotta be careful. I'm always letting the juice, you know, run over. So, this is what I love about this. Nice. So I'm gonna stir up my juice. So you see how the cucumber really gives you a lot of that water? Yeah, we're making a mess. But I need to stir it up. This juice is pretty good, so you don't really have to strain it. But I like to strain it, so I'm gonna strain it a little bit. See if I can do that without making a mess. I just want to taste it. Yeah, so I'm calling this Shelly's green juice. Okay, let's see. Oh my God. It is so good, so refreshing. Thank you for making Shelly's green juice today. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. And Twisters, tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.